Good day to our professor, Mr. Wendell Aguirre. We are the group 10 who will be presenting the KFC point of sale software. And I am Nini Ruth Arvega, and I will give you a small introduction about the POS of KFC. Next slide. Posiflex is one of the largest suppliers of KFC. It is also a Taiwan POS solution provider, international POS supplier. They give hardware and software products. They also offers kitchen display, a finalized order from from cashier to kitchen, and the model that the KFC have is Jiva HS3612W. It is a high-end all-in-one POS terminal designed to save space as it is compact, cable-free and cable-free environment. Next slide. Here is the sample photos of products of Posiflex that they offer in KFC. On this side, it is the sample of hardware products, and the specs of this POS terminal is touchscreen and cable-free terminal environment. And then on the other side is the software where the employees tend to get the orders, and then um, it indicates here the names and prices of the food of KFC offers. On the manager's side or auditor's side, in the system of POS effects, they can view the summary of daily reports, such as total numbers of orders, sales, refunds, total number of items withdrawn from during the sales. POS tracks the details of personnel as well, as much money, orders, and change to the customers. Next slide. The advantages of having a POS software is they can assist with sales management, makes employees' job easy, makes the company operation efficient. For the customer side, they can able to review their order, build to last. POS effect in KFC built to last because they using high-end software with optimization software. Next slide. For the disadvantages they have is reliance of local area network connection. It surely needed an upgrade at some time because a software um cannot stay in the same software. And then the possibilities of viruses and hacks. Next slide. May I call on the next presenter to explain the functions of features of POS.
function and function and features of POS. The new POS machine is made to provide employees an improvement, fastest and easier way to do their tasks, productivity, and tracking their daily sales and inventory. It will also save their time since POS is built to give them an easy access on their resources network. And that is what we call user management. Before retaining important information from the system itself, in order to align with the company's safety and security protocol. In addition, the newly introduced POS machine is made to assist with auditing and providing a, providing accurate and efficient costing since every sales is digitally input using POS equipment. They no longer need to do in I mean they no they no longer need to do it manually and dispute can be prevented too. And then it needs to take the customer orders, which can possibly lead to gain the trust of their valued customer and increase the rate of customer satisfaction due to quality service they can provide with the help of POS machine that can attract and having sales or project in the future. Next, next slide, please. How it works from receive order from customer. Receiving includes accepting the order from the customer and collecting payment for it. And the POS system will automatically compute the price of the customer order. And then you and the customer will see the order details in the monitor display, and the monitor automatically print out the receipt and followed by the payment of the customer for your orders. And then the POS system will update in the inventory um, will update the inventory immediately. And then the benefits of the new POS transaction towards KFC food service is increase employees' productivity, reduce the time needed to take customer orders because of the technology, the POS system from manual, and then ensuring to provide the best service and function towards KFC investment and store global. Next slide, please.
So the system issues, here's the fix. So the POSIFLEX is designed so easily serviceability, and then POSIFLEX POS solutions are assembled with only the BPS components available in the market today, ensuring lightning fast processing, reliable operation even during peak season. The precise engineering also protects against unforeseen breakdowns and crashes, all of which are common among lesser POS solutions. Because of the easy serviceability of the POS terminal, POSIFLEX Restaurant POS software can easily be updated from local storage. So basically, the POS system is made to make the job of the cashier easier and to make the transaction faster on a daily basis. It is to monitor the transactions of orders, and stocks and sales of the establishment real time to achieve it so that it can be compared to first season.
And that is the end of our report from Group 10, together with my colleagues Carlos Miguel Vargas, Arian Maysunga, and I am Nirat Arvega. Thank you so much for listening.